Welcome to Tenby, a town where every stone and stretch of coastline tells a story. Set on the western coast of Wales, Tenby's history is a blend of ancient Celtic roots, Norman battles, Tudor defences and Victorian elegance. Let's explore the captivating history of this seaside town. Tenby's story begins with ancient Celtic settlers who found refuge here, its natural harbour offering protection from the Atlantic storms. By the 12th century, Tenby had grown into a key seaport under Norman rule, protected by walls after repeated Welsh attacks. By the late Middle Ages, Tenby was a bustling port, trading with Ireland, France, Spain and Portugal. To protect its valuable trade, Jasper Tudor and town merchants fortified the walls, creating the Tenby we see today. Did you know that Tenby sheltered a future king? Henry Tudor, who would become Henry VII, found refuge here during the Wars of the Roses. This connection added to Tenby's fame and mystique. Tenby's fortunes declined after the Civil War and a devastating plague leading to decay and abandonment. But in 1802, resident Sir William Paxton saw Tenby's potential as a health resort and invested heavily to transform it into a fashionable destination. Tenby flourished in the Victorian era, attracting visitors seeking the health benefits of saltwater sea bathing. Walkways and pram-friendly paths gave it a reputation as a premier resort town, with architecture that still charms visitors today. Tenby's dedication to coastal safety has been a defining trait for over a century. From lifeboat stations to the Palmerston Fort, Tenby's history of coastal defence remains a proud legacy. Today, Tenby is a vibrant town of pastel-coloured houses, scenic beaches and historic structures. Its journey from a strategic hill fort to a tourist haven is a testament to the resilience of this beautiful Welsh gem.